Day one. We are so excited for this 45-day challenge. Bez and Ali are gonna take this house right here. Look, it is full of junk. It needs a total gut. Look at the blue tarp. In Maine, we love putting a blue tarp on the roof. So pumped. Day one starts right now. Let's see this 45-day transformation take shape. Stay tuned. Day two of this 45-day challenge. We are here at the house. This house has been gutted. The roof has been replaced, but we still have a long ways to go. Let's go see inside. Whenever I see a house gutted, I always wonder, what did it look like before? Well, in this case, we have the pictures, but check this out. Ton of old wood. This house was built at a time when wood came from the trees, not the mills. Insulation has been pulled, electric is out, plumbing is all out, subfloor exposed. These boys, these girls have a lot of work ahead of them. That's the basement right there. I don't even go in the basement until at least day 43 when I know nothing has been living down there. Whew. All right, well, day two, excited to see what day 3 through 45 are gonna bring. Stay tuned for more. You always see on the shows, like when they find hardwood floors under the carpet or some other gem hidden in the walls. With this house, a huge grove of raspberries. Ooh, so happy I'm making this show right now. So I actually think they're blackberries and they're a little early, but there's nothing better than foraging for berries. So good.